Meet Gateway Lofts Columbus, your next stop for the best student-friendly lifestyle. Pick your perfect fit from stylish one-bed and two-bed apartments, each equipped with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a flat cooktop, an oversized kitchen island, walk-in closets, a coat closet, washer, dryer, and pre-wired for AT&T services for your luxury. Work it out in the fitness center, cool off at the resort-style pool, play ping pong and cornhole, unwind in the courtyard, get cozy by the fire pit, and unleash your inner chef at the grilling station. You can also gather in the clubhouse or mingle in the resident lounge over billiards and avail free Wi-Fi. There are also co-working spaces with free printing when you need a change of scenery or some company to lock in and get down to work. Located on Dublin Road, Gateway Lofts Columbus places you a quick drive away from The Ohio State University and Capital University. With a range of local dining, shopping, entertainment options to explore, including the Columbus Zoo and Aquarium, you're close to both academic and social hotspots. Ready to experience a new level of quality living? Visit amberstudent.com and book now.